Product strategy, creating a roadmap to success. Product strategy, creating a roadmap to success. Every successful product needs a solid strategy behind it. A product strategy is essentially a roadmap that defines how you will create and deliver value to your customers. It's not just about the tourist and functionality of your products, it's about the overall vision, the target market, and the brand that you want to build. A well-crafted product strategy can help you to prioritize tasks, allocate resources effectively, and achieve your business goals. In this article, we'll explain what a product strategy is, why it's important, and how to develop one that sets you up for success. What is a product strategy? At its core, a product strategy is a plan that aligns your product with your overall business goals. It defines your product's unique value proposition, the customer needs it will address, and the a tourist that will meet those needs. A product strategy is a long-term plan that provides a framework for how you will develop, market, and sell your product. Why is a product strategy important? A product strategy provides a clear direction for your product development team, marketing team, and sales team. It ensures that everyone is working towards the same goals and that they understand what those goals are. Without a product strategy, your product will lack a solid foundation, and you will struggle to achieve your business goals. A product strategy also helps you to prioritize your resources and investments. By identifying the features that are most important to your target audience, you can focus your development efforts on those areas. This can help you to deliver a better product in less time and at a lower cost. Steps to create a successful product strategy. Step 1. Define your objectives. Before you can start developing your product strategy, you need to understand your business objectives. What are you trying to achieve with your product? Are you trying to increase revenue? Gain market share? Improve customer satisfaction? Once you've identified your objectives, you can start to develop a plan for how you will achieve them. For example, if your objective is to increase revenue, you may need to focus on developing a premium version of your product that can be sold to enterprise customers. Step 2. Identify your target market. Your target market is the group of customers that your product is designed for. In order to identify your target market, you need to understand who your customers are, what their needs are, and what problems they are trying to solve. Once you've identified your target market, you can develop a plan for how you will reach and engage with those customers. This may involve developing marketing campaigns that target specific segments of your target market or building partnerships with vendors who serve your target market. Step 3. Develop your unique value proposition. Your unique value proposition is the thing that sets your product apart from your competitors. It's the reason why customers should choose your product over the alternatives. To develop your unique value proposition, you need to understand what your customers' needs are and how your product can solve their problems better than any other available solution. Your unique value proposition should be simple, memorable, and easy to communicate. It should be the core message that you use in all of your marketing and sales materials. Step 4. Identify your key features. Once you've identified your target market and developed your unique value proposition, it's time to start thinking about the features that you